Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, Ate Yami. Bye-bye, Luciana. Bye-bye, Waka.
All right. So grab this thing.
Is it on? There you go.
Alright, so let's do a quick drive-by to cover off a couple of areas. We can, walking around, you can walk here for an hour, hour and a half, and you still wouldn't cover the whole area. So we're just going to speed it up by getting on the bike and do a couple of drives on a couple of streets. Going to go up and visit. We have some relatives that actually a cousin Lisa that we just left.
Yeah, that's my cousin.
So she owns a sari store up there, so we're going to go by there and say hi to, I believe her parents is working the store, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to go by there and get a little inside a sari store. This is it here.
There you go.
This street down here,
This street?
this street here is where Larry lived
Yeah.
before.
Yeah,
And
this street.
it wasn't concreted before, was it?
No,
So
it's
now,
not concrete.
so now they have poured concrete in here also. They are making improvements here all the time,
Mm-hmm.
and it looks pretty good in many areas.
I think this house.
This house here, I think that was where Larry
Yeah,
lived
Larry,
before.
Yeah.
Right, so we can go down Main Street.
The main street is on the other side.
Yeah, well, you go down here, right?
That one is going to the, in Lex.
No, here.
This one.
Yeah. Main Street is down here. We're just going around a little bit.
Oh, my hands is so long. Lack of calcium. No potassium. No calcium. I mean calcium.
This is the main street here. Alright.
Sun is blocking.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the sun is right in the face of the camera. So we do a reverse filming. You'll see the area we just passed. How's that?
Yeah.
Here we got some trike stations. I don't know. I believe this street is probably 1 kilometer or so or more. And right about here, I think somewhere, once you get up to the church, you enter into the home site. Hello. Thank you. This is the street, right?
Yeah.
So down here, now you can turn around the camera. You just flip it, spin the camera. So where is Lisa's store here?
Just straight. Just drive straight.
Hello.
I think it's over here. Yeah.
Here it is, yeah.
Yeah.
Here it is.
That's the store. Hello. Oh, Shan is here. Shan is here. Bakit? Anong ginawa mo dito? Hello! Magay ka, naka-live ka. Magay ka. Magay ka sa mga subscribers natin. Sabi mo hello. Sabi mo hello. Ang pangit mo.
Oh, there it is.
Yes.
There's a little apartment right here.
Yeah. So let's see. That's their store. This is store. Yeah. Oh, this one is nice. Yeah. Hold on.
So, their little store. They sell little knickknacks, canned foods, and other things. Small little things. Oh, cousin baby? That baby was just born, not very long ago. Alright guys, that is the final from Barangay Duquit. And here they have some apartments for rent as well. So this is a typical safe area. You lock the gate, nobody gets in and out unless they cut these steel bars. So that's alright for now. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and the bell and you get some notifications. Thank you for watching.